Yes, welcome back to our channel. Today, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ni Dria pero gusto niyang mag-unbox ng ayan, yung kakarating na box. And this box is from Sandong. Ayan. Okay. So, unbox na namin para matahimik na sila. Are you ready to unbox?
Opo.
Okay. Yan. Gusto na nilang malaman, no? Kung anong laman. They're so excited. What's inside this box? Are you excited ba, ate? Kahit na may sakit. Ayan, gustong-gustong box. Gustong-gusto nilang buksan. Sabi ko, wag muna. Gustong-gusto nilang buksan. Wait. O, iurong mo. Yan. Oh. This box, galing sa Shopee. Oo, galing siya sa Shopee. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside this box? What's inside? Oh, hila nyo na. Kung ano yung inside. Sige nga. Sige, kaya mo yan. Oh, diba? Oh. Excited sila. O yan, may fragile na nakasulat. So, dapat, I'm expecting na hindi siya na nabasag or kahit ano man. Walang ano dito dapat. Walang damage. Kasi may nakalagay na fragile. Ayan. Oh, open na, open na, open na, open na. Open na, open na. What's inside? Ay, okay. Hindi pa pala tapos. Wawa. Yun. O, dito naman.
Ahag.
Ahag. Dito. Ay, wait. Wait lang, wait. Wait lang, anak. Okay. Okay. Wow! What's this? What's this? Oh, this one is big. But this one first, this box. Wow! What's that?
Numbers letter.
Numbers. And the other one? Naku, the other one. What is this? Can you help, Sandong?
Mommy, can you open this one? Please.
This one is for, I think this is for Sandriana. Oh, let's see, what's this? Wow! What's that?
Number letter.
Numbers! Are you excited to learn more about numbers? Oh, binilhan ka pala ni Daddy ng numbers eh. And sticks.
No.
And sticks, right?
Opo.
Okay. I think this is for Sandong. What's that, Sandong? You open. Oh, let's open.
Tumingin sa akin.
What's that? What's that, Sandong?
Ay.
Ooh, what's that?
Look.
A potty train for Sandong. Para pag magwiwiwi siya. What? Para pag magwiwiwi si Sandong. Are you excited, Sandong?
What's that?
We're going to put it in the bathroom. So, ito yung nakuha ni Sandriana dun sa package. And these are numbers. Yeah.
To get it out.
You want to get it out? It's okay. Oh, that's number. Okay. So, are you happy? Yes. Oh, she's happy daw. Oh, ito yung box. Mathematical Intelligence Stick. So, merong mga numbers, wooden numbers. Ayan. And then, what are this? What are this? What are this? Sticks for count?
Thing.
Yan, for counting. Siguro binili to ni Daddy kasi magsa-start na siyang mag-aral. Naka-enroll na siya sa school. So, magsa-start siya. And yan ang isa sa mga gagamitin niya para matuto siya sa numbers. Oh, what is the color of this one?
Cannot get it out this time.
You cannot get it out this time. Oh, I'm going to help you. See? Oh. Wow. Wooden numbers.
One.
This one is equal sign, right? This one is number.
9.
Very good. This one is
Oh.
0.
0.
Okay. And then, how many sticks? Can you count how many sticks are there?
1, 2,
3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5, 6,
7,
7. So, 7, 8,
9,
10, 11, 12. So, there are 12 yellow sticks. And I think there are also 12 green sticks, right?
yeah.
And 12 blue sticks and red sticks. Are you happy? What are you going to say to Daddy?
You Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Are you happy?
Opo.
Opo. Hello, Sandong.
Parang
Are you happy?
pinipikit lang.
Halika, halika, halika. Let's put it in the bathroom. Come on. Let's put it in the bathroom. Let's put it in the bathroom. I think we're going to put it here. Oh, Dong Dong, oh. Dong. Oh. Oh. Wow. Let's see. How are we going to do it? How are you going to do it? There. Oh. Wow. Do you like it? Oopsie.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay.
Hello, Daddy. Thank you for the toys of mine and Santo. Thank you.
You love it?
Papa.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Mommy, for the surprise. Either
Thank you. What did I give you?
a knife and a ruler.
Roller
Yeah.
and a
And
chopping
shopping
board.
board.
Flying kiss ka kay Daddy.
Ba ba ba.
Here are the other school materials. Yan. Mga gagamitin ni Dria sa kanyang pag-aaral. Yan. Yung mga books, yung iba, nandyan lang. Nasa isang kwarto. And then, ito yung binigay ni Daddy sa kanya. Ayan. So, yan yung binigay ni Daddy sa kanya. Ginagamit na rin naman namin siya. Nire-ready ko siya. Pinapractice ko siya. So, may mga blocks na dapat hindi ito dito nakalagay. Anyway, it's okay. Alam niyo naman. And then the flashcards that I made when I was still in preschool, when I was still a preschool teacher. Ito, test, andito pa yung ibang mga puzzles. There, yung mga supplies ng coupon bonds. Ayan, the letters. Ayan. So, that's it.